RedLetter is a signage and branding manufacturing company. We supply multiple different signs, but the one we specialize in is our 3D channel letter signage. This signage is made up from the customer's logo in a 3D illuminated sign that will be erected on the side of their building. Our signage manufacturing process starts with the client's brief, the scope of work. We convert the client's brief into a 3D CAD model using the renders to give multiple views an accurate representation of what the client can expect the end product to be. Once the client has approved these documents, we are able to begin the manufacturing process. We take the files and set them up for the AM.CO ZA CNC Router. This process is vital for the completion of the fabrication process. Once they have been cut, we send them to our hand fabricators that are able to fabricate these letters to the client specifications, giving the client what the client expects. This is a vital step for us to complete the fabrication process. Once the fabrication process is completed, we send these letters through to our wiring and LED department. They get fitted with the correct LEDs to illuminate the customer's signage evenly. The rigging crew is our rigging team that specializes in many different rigging scenarios. In this instance, they had to do a high access installation of the AM.CO ZA signage. RedLetter prides itself on the delivery of superior branding solutions. With the AM.CO machinery, we can guarantee that our quality is above expectation, and we will continue delivering these branding solutions to many people exactly like AM.CO.